Hello, I am going to present the commemoration of Saint Patrick's Day. Ready? Go. March 17th commemorates the death of Saint Patrick. He was the saint patron of Ireland. He introduced the Christianity in the 5th century. He was kidnapped by pirates at the age 16 and taken to Ireland. When he escaped, he became a priest and returned to convert the island to Christianity. He founded monasteries, churches, and schools, transforming the pagan culture. He used the three-leaf clover to explain the Holy Trinity. It has become a global celebration of Irish culture, characterized by wearing green, parades, music, and beer. The tradition of green. Leprechauns pitch people who are not wearing anything on St. Patrick's Day, as the color green makes them invisible to them. Legend of the Pot of Gold. If you manage to catch a leprechaun, he will have to reveal to you the place where he hides his treasure of gold coins.